Hello, everyone. On behalf of Hamzy Analytics, this is Michael Blythe with the closing comments for Thursday, June 16th, 2016. Quite an interesting day it was as we take a look at the chart overnight. Worldwide indices were lower. This led the S&P lower, opened near the overnight low at the 2052 area. Started selling early on, trading down more than 10 handles from the open, finding an early low of 2043 quarters. But began to rally there, as you can see, put in a series of higher highs and higher lows during the morning to afternoon. These bullish events were helped out by the rumors of a possible Brexit referendum being postponed. The campaigning was postponed by both sides due to the unfortunate assassination of the British politician Joe Cox. And the S&P maintained its bid throughout the day. Uh, as we noted in the pre-morning comments, at some point, the Brexit fears were going to be priced into this market. And today marked the sixth day of selling and going into the end of the week. It was hard to imagine that there wouldn't be at least some rally. I was looking for it later on today, going into tomorrow. However, it came this morning, and the S&P completely retraced the gap lower and is going out positive on the day, or so it appears at this moment, on a MOC imbalance of 250 million to the buy side, according to our friends at Barclays Capital. The S&P is trading last at 2069 half, up six handles on the session. Going into tomorrow will be the June quad witch, the expiration of options, futures, and futures options, which is traditionally bullish, but this week has been anything but traditional, and so we will continue with an open mind. One matter to note, looking at the charts a few moments ago, and at that moment, the S&P 500 was less than 20 handles from closing positive on the week. And that would be quite an interesting scenario that probably would be of what the minority has expected during this week's time. And the market often does what the minority of people believe that it will. All right. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow on behalf of Hamzy Analytics. Good day.